People can New South Wales and say there's no good forward driving. A load of rubbish. There's some amazing forward driving. That far off the side of the road, you're into it in about 30 seconds.
Give us a wave. Ready?
Spectacular view down into the valley and the escarpments over the other side. It was very, very pretty.
It's a ripper track. There's just rock after rocks, little boulders and rutted tracks, and you just sort of cruise your way down them. It's flexing your vehicles all the way down. It's awesome to watch.
We had one particular big bog hole that the Iveco went through. Then we put the poor old Land Cruiser with 33s in and it bellied out.
Beautiful spot here, you can't go wrong. There's some places in New South Wales that are just amazing. This is one, Coolendale. It's down here inside in the valley, surrounded by hills and trees, and you got this oasis, just amazing.
Often you can shoot your way down the main highways, take the effort to dart off and find some absolute gold mines. Pick a road and follow it and see where it takes you.